The Rheem MR50245 Marathon Tall Electric Water Heater 50-gallon. For 100 years, Rheem has been providing solutions for heating water. Rheem is the largest manufacturer of electric water heaters in North America. What sets the Rheem Marathon Tall Electric Water Heater separate from its competition is the construction. Unlike stainless steel or other metals, Rheem builds this seamless, blow-molded tank using non-metallic materials, making this electric water heater not only durable and lightweight, but also rust and corrosion-free while offering unmatched strength. If you live near seawater or a salty ocean, this is the electric water heater for your home. The unmatched strength includes an outer shell that resists scratches, dents, and harsh temperatures and salt air. The inside of the water heater comes with a uniquely formulated filament-wound fiberglass insulation, which guarantees the Rheem MR50245 will not leak as long as you own your home. Don't just take our word for it, Rheem will back that claim up. The electric water heater can quickly pull water into the tank and at approximately 20 gallons per hour at a 90-degree rise. You can expect a hot shower in a snap. Weighing in at 100 pounds using 240 volts and measuring approximately 24 inches by 24 inches by 63 inches, you'll feel confident knowing that you'll get a limited lifetime 6-year warranty on the entire system. Now for a few pros. Rheem has 100 years of hot water heating knowledge and technology. Blow-molded seamless non-metallic tank construction. Scratch, dent, harsh temperature, and salt air resistant. And a great warranty. Now here's a few cons. It's a heavy system, the electric circuit and amp issues, and a considerable investment.